So I'm here at Hoak's Lakeshore restaurant just on the south side of Buffalo, New York, a place I've been going to most of my life. And they've got great fish fries in here, huge waves, and the place is really pretty amazing. I mean, it's the kind of thing where it's a real restaurant, but it's also hit by storms that I've been filming for a couple of years, usually in the fall and in the winter. Today it is about a day after the blizzard of 2022 in Buffalo, and this place was encased in ice, and inside business is going on as usual. So it's a pretty cool place. The food's great, it's worth coming to, and it's also an unusual restaurant, maybe one of the most unusual restaurants you'll see here in North America. You just gotta watch out for the ice.